Okay, so previously we have seen function which is returning a pointer, which is returning an address. In that we have seen some problem, but here is another example. This example also for function returning a pointer. See, here we have a main function. So let's take for main function there is a stack frame created, and in that for n 4-byte memory is allocated. Let's assume that is 2000. For a 40 bytes of memory will be allocated. Like this, and this is your a. Let's assume that starts from at 3000, and you have a pointer variable p which is allocated at 4000, and here you are calling a fun function. So when the moment you call fun function, the control goes to fun function definition, and here a new stack frame will be created in the memory for the fun function. So this is for fun stack frame. This is main stack frame. And now inside the fun stack frame, what are the memory will be allocated? So for P, how much memory allocated? 4 bytes of memory will be allocated for P. Let's assume that is at memory location 5000. And for N 4 bytes of memory will be allocated. That's assumed like at 6000. In P, what will be stored? Base address of A, that is array, that is 3000 will be received. In N you will receive 5. Okay. And after that, what you are doing here? P equal to P plus N. P is what? P is what? Everything is here, right? P is 3000. 3000 plus 5. See, 3000 plus 1. 3004. 3000 plus 2. 3008. Because P is a pointer. So, what type of pointer? Integer pointer. So, if you increment once, it will jump 4 bytes. Okay. So, P plus 5 will be 3020. Again, you are assigning in the P itself. So, now this will become 3020. And now you are returning the P. So, and here, what is the return type? So, is it okay? So what you have to change? You have to change to int star. Because the return type here you are returning the integer address. So you have to change it to int star. And now you are returning 3020. That 3020 is received in this pointer. See, this P is different. This P is different. You should not get confused. That P present inside this fun function. This P present in the main function. Now, what you are receiving here? 3020. Okay. After that, what is the output of this? A is what? A is the base address of the array. Base address of the array is 3000. And P 3020 star P. Value present at see 3000, 3004, 8, 12, 16, 20. So you get 6. Now also the stack frame will be erased. Once the control comes from here, the stack frame will be erased. But is it okay in this case? Whereas previous example, it was causing a problem. But in this case, is that okay? Okay, why?
The 3000 is available in main.
Very good. See, you're not returning the fun function address. I mean, the address which is present in the fun function, that you are not returning. You are returning some address that is belongs to main function only. So that memory, this 3000 memory is like a still alive. So it's not erased. So this is like a okay.